why would this architecture draw it? What the purpose? Then he will put the surround house there and the surround house there to do it, the whole thing. This is a very serious matter. And it is there. But the worst thing, they can do it. They can build. The worst thing of that thing, the KICC, my mother contributed 5 shillings. My father contributed 5 shillings. Every Kenyan contributed 5 shillings towards the building. That was a sacrifice that we did. A sacrifice of immorality. That is why Kenya will never come out of immorality. And it's planted in the middle of the power of Kenya. This side we have City Hall. This side we have Harambee House. This side we have the High Court. This side we have the Parliament. The entire system of the government. And then there is this Musea seated there, facing Parliament. Mujaribu mubadilishe nitawamaliza. Huyo mzee ni altar. And they run the economy. That is why they said tutoe picha ya binadamu kutoka kwa noti. Wakaleta picha ya mawe lakini ni yeye. Because they run the economy. And that's why before the son aliwacha kazi, he had taken all the economical ventures of the country. All the banks were his. All the railway, hata railway ni yao. Hata hii barabara hii ya flyover ni yao. Kiwanja hii ya Uhuru Park imebadilika ni yao. Kiwanja ya ndege ni yao. Kila KICC wamechukua kila kitu. Maziwa, insurance, mabanki zote. It is under the family because they run the altar of economy. Naye Moi akatengeneza kafibo pale kwa kiwanja Central Park. Ako ndio the altar of power. Na alisema atatawala Kenya miaka ngapi? Sasa ni nani wako kwa power? Both of them are his son, biological sons. Both of them. Both of them, they are his biological sons. Yes. Na bado. Naye huyu mzee mwingine wa makelele bodo. Kuna mahali iko bodo huko ya kuattract watu. Huyu mzee hata akimaliza miaka 100 akue hai. Akuje hapa ije, crowd itatoka. Yote mtatoka kwa maduka, mtaenda kumsikiliza because he has it. Bwana Yesu asifiwe sana. Hizo ndio the religious strongholds of legalisms, because we follow them fanatically, religiously, and they make decisions for us